Thousands gathered outside Greece parliament as lawmakers debated a censure motion against the government over the country's deadliest train disaster. Demonstrators, including students, families, and workers, held a moment of silence before releasing lanterns into the sky in memory of the 57 victims. On the pavement, candles were arranged to form the number 57, symbolizing those lost in the tragedy. The center-left PASOK party, along with other opposition groups, submitted the censure motion against Prime Minister's government, accusing it of dodging responsibility, failing to address critical safety issues, and covering up evidence. Last week, hundreds of thousands took to the streets on the second anniversary of the rail disaster, demanding justice for the victims.